In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of upgrading your plan using Zoho and store.zoho.com. This is a straightforward guide that we'll walk through together, ensuring your experience is seamless and successful. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit your Zoho Books dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your command center, where you can check out everything related to your business accounts. Once you're there, look for the subscribe button. This is your gateway to exploring different plans, and it's important because it sets the stage for all subsequent steps. After clicking subscribe, you'll want to find and click on the upgrade plan option. This step is crucial as it opens up the variety of plans that Zoho has to offer. Here, you'll see different packages tailored to business needs. It's essential to focus on this decision, as the right plan can significantly impact your business's efficiency and growth. With this in focus, carefully peruse through the available plans. Each one offers something a little different, so think about what your business really needs at this point in time. Once you've decided on the right plan, click on Upgrade. Clicking this button is not just procedural, it represents your commitment to enhancing your business capabilities with Zoho's services. Now that you've selected your plan, direct your attention to the plan details. This will give you insights into what the plan includes, from features to limits, making sure there are no surprises down the line. It's clear and straightforward, and it's always a good move to immerse yourself in these details before proceeding. Just about ready to finalize things. Click on Continue. This brings you to the review section. The importance of this cannot be overstated. It's your chance to ensure every part of your order is just right. Check the specifics, cross-examine your choices, and confirm everything matches your expectations and requirements. If everything looks perfect, go ahead and hit the Confirm button. Doing so finalizes your choice and transitions our focus to the financial details. This is where you'll fill up your billing details. Accuracy here is paramount, so double-check all information to avoid any setbacks. To bring this process to a successful conclusion, click on Make Payment. This final action seals the deal, ensuring your plan is upgraded, your billing is handled, and your business is ready to leverage Zoho's comprehensive features. And there you have it. A quick, easy guide to upgrading your plan using Zoho Books and store.zoho.com. Keep this video in your favorites if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore all that Zoho has to offer for your business needs. Thank you for joining, and happy upgrading!